Hi guys, Adriana here, Product Manager at Foundersuite. So today I want to show you how to use our brand new Generate with ChatGPT feature that's available for Platinum plan in Foundersuite. So we're going to start right here, which is our email creation screen. The first steps of this journey you're going to fill out as usual, and then I want you to click Generate with ChatGPT. Clicking Generate with ChatGPT will take you to this screen, which is our pop-up that's crafted to create the perfect prompt for GPT. You can just permit a number of options here, including the type, the tone, the length, etc. And I'm going to show you how to use it. So first, let's start with the type. You can either choose from our predefined types or create a custom one. And today, I actually want to use the predefined type and create a first contact email. I want my email to be friendly, and I want it to be short. So in the recipient, I want you to put name or any relevant details about the person that you're writing to. It could be a name and a surname, or it could be a type of a person. So today I actually want to write to angel investors. In talking points, we want to include a clear and concise rundown of what we want the email to be about. So any details that our AI machine needs to know before it writes our email. I'm going to do it real quickly. And similarly, in links, you can include any links that you would like to be included in the email, and the GPT will drop them in at an appropriate spot. So lastly, we have call to action, which is a specific action that we want the person receiving the email to do. So in this case, I actually want to have them look at my pitch deck. Cool, already. Now, let's click generate and see what happens. Awesome, so our email is ready and generated, and you can go ahead and edit it however you want to. So give this feature a go, let us know what you think, and tune in for more. Bye!